It's the 11th of April, just after 7 a.m. And what we're looking at here, we've got the 10-minute chart, we've got the 30-minute chart, we've got the 2-hour chart, and we've got the daily chart. So just to make the 30-minute bigger, the plan for today really is for this 6190 area to hold first thing this morning, and for a rise up towards R1 at 6240, possibly a little bit higher at 6250, where we've got the two Bianca channels, both the 10-day and the 20-day. We've also got, if I just go to the daily chart, the 10-day RAF up at 6240, and the 200 EMA, which is that orange line, is at 6230. So if we do get a bit of a rise up, obviously we've got to break 6225, which is the most recent high. No, sorry, 6235. The sort of most recent high, which was the 18th of March. So, 6240, 6250, there's a few resistances there. Most recent high, 200 EMA, 10-day RAF, and both the Bianca channels, and R1 as well. So, assuming that's obviously going to have a bit of a reaction, we could dip right back down to 6,200, which may well start to hold as support. The bulls will obviously really want to make this level stick, and if 6200 holds, let me make this bigger, if 6200 holds, then we might well rise up to test the sort of 6270 area, something like that, where we have the, I think it was 6270, yeah, 6270, where we have the 20-day RAF channel. So generally, really, it looks a bit positive. On the FTSE, the S&P and the DAX don't look quite as jolly as the FTSE does, but it could be an interesting morning anyway. So basically I'm feeling fairly positive as long as this 6190 level holds. Below 6175, if that pivot breaks, then I expect us to dip down towards 6135, which is where we've got S1 down the bottom here. So though I'm bullish, obviously if that doesn't pan out, then I'll flip to bearish and look to start hopping on some shorts and things. However, we have got a rising PRT line, we've got the 200 EMA, so I think this sort of area is probably going to hold as support anyway. Just to look at the 2-hour chart, basically we might well dip down and we will test this 100 hull moving average line here, which is going to be about 6160, hence why I think that area might well hold. If 6160 breaks, then I'm definitely heading towards 6135. So obviously this is still bullish at the moment. We have got this PRT resistance line here at, what's that at, 6205 initially this morning. So still faffing about at 6200 really. 10-minute chart, obviously it's not ideal to look at this at first thing on a Monday morning after the weekend, but with that rise from the pivot overnight, has actually gone bullish. So we've got a green coral line and the moving averages are bullish with support at 6190 really. So we'll see, but it's early on a Monday morning, so we may or may not play out with that one. So we'll see really. But that's generally what I'm thinking. A rise up towards 6240, 6250, and then a bit of bearishness there. Good luck everyone, and any questions, please drop me an email.